Driving on a suspended license. Did you know that at any one time there's over 100,000 suspended drivers here in this state alone? You want to know the main reason why people lose their driver's license and have a hard time getting it back? It's because they don't know their rights in court. I am Scott Weinberg. I'm a former prosecutor, and I've represented thousands of people who've been charged with suspended license or those types of related charges for over 20 years. So listen closely, because I'm going to tell you about some of the most important issues you need to understand and to protect yourself if you're charged with those kind of offenses here in Michigan. First, if you learn one thing from this video, remember this. Driving on a suspended license is a criminal offense. Criminal. And if you're convicted, it'll stay on your driving and criminal record forever. That's right. Under the current law, if you're convicted on a driving on a suspended, or what is commonly known as DWLS, there's no way to get it expunged. Plus, every time that you're convicted of a driving on a suspended license, the Secretary of State will hit you with $500 per year for 2 years in responsibility fees. And that's the snowball that keeps rolling downhill. The fees that start to accumulate because people didn't realize how important it was to plead not guilty on a driving on a suspended. Next, if your license is suspended for whatever reason and you plead guilty or responsible to another traffic-related offense, the Secretary of State will resuspend your license for what's called a like suspension, and there's no restricted license available. Even with the speeding ticket that carries no points, that can resuspend your license and keep you from legally driving. So know your rights before you go to court. And finally, driving on a suspended license, even a first offense, carries up to 93 days in jail, up to 1 year for a second offense. And if it's suspended because of a driving, look out. Don't take these cases for granted. Know your rights. Hire an attorney before you lose your privileges again. Take care.